Hey, it's getting to be that time on the farm when you get to boil sap down. And before you boil sap down, heed my warning. Check your thermometers. Make sure they're accurate. Got a couple thermometers here that I just checked this boiling water at, and it's running around 211. A degree or two is fine. But then you want to take your thermometers that you use in your sap, especially if you bought a new one, because obviously altitude and barometric pressure change that and get it set for your location. This is a thermometer that kind of works not really like a true Murphy, but more like a sap thermometer, where it starts at 0 and then it has got little increments up to another 50 degrees. But that 0's at 212, and you want to make sure that's your starting point if you're going to add 7 degrees to it and call your stuff done, which should be around 219. Well, as you can see, this one's off a little bit, so we want to make a correction to it. We want to take the little screw or the little nut that's on the back of the dial and adjust the back of the gauge so that where it's standing right now in this boiling water is 0 or 212, 211, give or take a degree or two. So you turn it over, you adjust the little nut or screw on the back side of these, and then that moves the faceplate a little bit so that you can be accurate with your thermometers. You want to do this at the beginning of each season, folks, because things happen over time. Thermometers get wore out, they get bumped, they get dropped, they get sap in them, what have you. So here I go, I got it back in the 212 degree water, and I'm running it, and I'm going to see if it stops here at 0, which is what we want. This is the best way to protect yourself from basically making candy out of your syrup, or even, under the temp, if you want to call it, or under temping it and making something worse. Yep, it's holding really, really perfect here on 0. We finally hit the sweet spot with this thermometer. It's all sap for us to boil the sap. This is perfect. Thank you for watching, and follow along, and we'll keep putting out great videos like this.